Line. Line. Meaning: a long, narrow mark or band. The new car model was produced faster thanks to the introduction of an assembly line. I crossed the finish line and couldn't believe I had actually completed the marathon. Related words: queue, row, boundary, wire, route, order. Order. Meaning: command or instruction. I need to place an order for more printer toner. My job as a waiter is to take orders from customers. Related words: arrange, organization, request, sequence, system, organization. Organization. Meaning: group with a specific purpose. She works for a nonprofit organization that helps disadvantaged children. The United Nations is an international organization dedicated to maintaining peace. Related words: company, association, institution, structure, management. Organize. Organize. Meaning: to arrange in a structured way, to coordinate. The committee is organizing a conference on sustainable agriculture. She volunteered to organize a party for her friend's birthday. Related words: tidy, structure, arrange, sort, systematize. Overhaul. Overhaul. Meaning: thoroughly examine and make necessary repairs or improvements. The old building required a major overhaul before it could be used. The company's website underwent a complete overhaul to enhance its user experience. Related words: modernize, refurbish, restructure, revamp, renovate. Pile. Pile. Meaning: a group of things stacked on top of each other. He piled high the books on his desk. The dishes started to pile up in the sink. Related words: hoard, stack, heap, mound, stacks. Precede. Precede. Meaning: come before in time, order, or position. The dessert course immediately precedes the coffee service. The opening act directly precedes the main performance. Related words: anticipate, forerun, lead, head, predate. Sequence. Sequence. Meaning: order of events. The detective was able to piece together the sequence of events leading up to the crime. The Fibonacci sequence is a well-known sequence of numbers in mathematics. Related words: order, series, progression, succession, pattern. Software. Software. Meaning: digitally coded data used for computer applications. The company hired a team of developers to create a custom software solution for their inventory management. The company decided to use open-source software for their new website to save on licensing fees. Related words. Program. Application. Algorithm. Platform. Code. Sort. Sort. Meaning. To arrange or classify. I am sort of hungry. He helped me sort out my financial problems. Related words. Organize. Arrange. Separate. Classify. Categorize. Structure. Structure. Meaning. Arrangement of parts. The organizational structure of the company was redesigned to improve efficiency. The project required the expertise of a structural engineering firm to ensure the safety of the building. Related words. Arrangement. Component. Frame. Pattern. Architecture. Summarize. Summarize. Meaning. Give a brief statement of the main points. Could you briefly summarize the main points of the presentation? It's important to accurately summarize the findings of the research study. Related words. Synthesize. Condense. Outline. Recap. Abridge. Sync. Sync. Meaning. Cause something to occur at the same time or rate. The dancers moved in perfect sync with the music. Make sure your watch is in sync with the official time. Related words. Harmonize. Synchronize. Liaise. Coordinate. Align. System. System. Meaning. A set of things or parts forming a complex whole, especially one with interconnecting parts that work together. Windows 10 is one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. The solar system consists of 8 planets, including Earth. Related words. Structure. Process. Structure. Organization. Network. Systemize. Systemize. Meaning. Organize according to a system or plan. The company made efforts to systemize their manufacturing process. She made several attempts to systemize her daily routines. Related words. Organize. Standardize. Streamline. Methodize. Which of the following word means? To arrange in a structured way. To coordinate. The answer is C. Organize. Which of the following word means? A group of things stacked on top of each other. The answer is B. Pile. What is the meaning of the word? Sequence. The answer is A. Order of events. What is the meaning of the word? Pile. The answer is A. A group of things stacked on top of each other. What is the meaning of the word? Software. The answer is A. Digitally coded data used for computer applications. Which of the following word means? come before in time, order, or position? The answer is A. Precede. What is the meaning of the word overhaul? The answer is A. Thoroughly examine and make necessary repairs or improvements. What is the meaning of the word organize? The answer is B. To arrange in a structured way, to coordinate. What is the meaning of the word systemize? The answer is A. Organize according to a system or plan. Which of the following word means thoroughly examine and make necessary repairs or improvements? The answer is C. Overhaul. Which of the following word means a long, narrow mark or band? The answer is A. Line. What is the meaning of the word order? The answer is C. Command or instruction. What is the meaning of the word sync? The answer is C. Cause something to occur at the same time or rate. Which of the following word means give a brief statement of the main points? The answer is D. Summarize. Which of the following word means cause something to occur at the same time or rate? The answer is A. Sync. Which of the following word means group with a specific purpose? The answer is D. Organization. Which of the following word means organize according to a system or plan? The answer is C. Systemize. Which of the following word means command or instruction? The answer is A. Order. Which of the following word means order of events? The answer is B. Sequence. What is the meaning of the word summarize? The answer is A. Give a brief statement of the main points. What is the meaning of the word line? The answer is C. A long, narrow mark or band. What is the meaning of the word system? The answer is D. A set of things or parts forming a complex whole, especially one with interconnecting parts that work together. Which of the following word means digitally coded data used for computer applications? The answer is B. Software. Which of the following word means a set of things or parts forming a complex whole, especially one with interconnecting parts that work together? The answer is C. System. What is the meaning of the word? Precede. The answer is A. Come before in time, order, or position. What is the meaning of the word? Structure. The answer is C. Arrangement of parts. Which of the following word means arrangement of parts? The answer is B. Structure. What is the meaning of the word sort? The answer is B. To arrange or classify. What is the meaning of the word organization? The answer is B. Group with a specific purpose. Which of the following word means to arrange or classify? The answer is B. Sort.